Oh my God, give me the goddamn thing.
Joey, faster! Faster, Joey, faster!
Get him! Oh my God, give me the net. Give me the net.
There's only a few holes.
Dad, give me the net. Give me the net. He's right
They
there.
definitely go to the
Dad,
lake.
give me the fucking net.
That doesn't help. I baited him into a
Here,
trap.
film me. Film me.
No,
Go for it.
you're the filmmaker.
Give me the net, Dad. You gotta go for it. He's right
No,
here.
I baited him. We got it.
Give me the net. He's right fucking there. I could catch him with my hand. I swear to God. Get him! Get him! Get him!
Ah, I got him. Get out of here.
Oh,
He's out.
Is he in there?
He's down here.
Oh my God. Why didn't you grab him?
He's right behind you.
Then I will just tell you.
Try to get a martini glass.
He's gonna get the cabinet.
Why is that light back on, Grandma? It's the opposite of what we're going for. Mike Rock.
Mike, give me the net. You guys are pathetic.
Excuse me. So far, I would give the MVP to me. I think that Danny Joey is the only one who. Oh, come on. I baited the bird into the light, and then what did you do? You stood there with the net like a rat cat. Austin, do not break anything. Oh my God. So much for the
Here, you need to film me, Mom.
Oh my God.
Watch the expensive stuff.
Is it on? Because I don't know how to put it on. Yeah, don't go behind this.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, he's gonna come back.
He's got him.
Oh, he's going out the front.
We can try to get him out the front here.
Watch. There you go. There you go. Keep going, Austin. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. He's almost there.
It's a Festivus miracle.
Go. No.
Oh, go. You got it.
Oh, you did. Oh my God.
Yeah, he's out.
We did it.